You are going to love the 2018 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, lane departure warning, power steering, aluminum wheels, heated steering wheel, fog lamps, intermittent wipers, variable speed, intermittent wipers, remote trunk release, privacy glass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.